Are you serious, bro? Yo, what's going on, everybody? We're on the Grom today. We're outside. It's a Saturday. It's looking a bit cloudy. It's supposed to have scattered thunderstorms today, but fuck it. It's one of my only days off, so we're out here riding. I'm on my way to the shop. I'm about to wash up the Grom because I took it on some back roads that just got tarred and chipped, so it's all fucking dirty. So we're on our way to wash the girl up, and then who knows what we're about to get into. Probably some wheelies, I know that. I was hoping to link up with some people to ride streets today, but no one's hitting me up. All my people are doing shit or sleeping. I was actually just passing this last night. I went to go get some Wawa after work, and I saw a group of mini motos, and I was like, what the heck, man? I don't know what group they were or where the ride out was posted or anything like that. Maybe it's just word of mouth, but it was a pretty big one. There's like 20 heads. The other day I was on my way home and I was just cruising in 5th gear for quite a while, and my Grom made that noise that a few people have been complaining about. When you're just cruising in 5th gear for a long time on these bikes, I'm pretty sure they just don't like it. I don't know what's up with the transmission or what, but it just made some crazy like grinding sound. I actually didn't know it was me. I thought it was somebody's brakes or something behind me. I was like, what the heck is that sound? And I opened my visor, and then it was the fucking transmission on the bike. And I was like, oh shoot. But as soon as you pull the clutch in, it goes away, and then it didn't come back after that. So who knows? It only happened once so far, so we'll see if it gets any worse. Hopefully not. I just got my clutch lever on, guys. Night Grommer hooked it up for me. I got the 1-finger clutch and brake lever now, and it's nice. I like it. It's so much easier to pull. The only thing I don't really like about it that I just got to get used to is I got to pull the clutch in way farther than before. On the stock one, it was almost like all the way out at catch point, and now it's like closer to the grip, so I just got to get used to pulling it all the way in. I don't know if any of you guys got like Cenos or Bluetooth communicators for your helmets, but if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. I'm looking into getting one. I want one that'll at least do 2 people plus myself, and decent speakers, because I like to listen to music. Right now I just rock the Jabra Elite headphones, Bluetooth headphones in the helmet, but every time I take my helmet off it just falls out and lands on the ground, so I'm getting sick of it. This is a new lot that was recently built. I was so hyped for it because I was going to ride it all the time, and then they gated it off. So now technically you're on private property trespassing, so won't be riding there, I don't think. was my boy Foz I was always riding with. He's got the Ranger Green Navy. He was just hitting me up, asking me what I'm doing today. He said he might have to work for a few hours though. I was practicing in my alley the last couple days after work, and I'm pretty sure I could do some circles if I tried hard enough. Because I can get half circles. I'm really learning how to, like, I swing my left leg off and drag it, and I can get pretty far back there. I can even go from first gear, I'll pop it up with both feet on, and then I can slow it down and drag my foot along the ground, and then I'm able to just drop into the turn. And I was leaning too much at first just to make sure that I wouldn't go high side, but I figured out that if I just go more over top of the bike instead of leaning it too much, it'll just walk right around for me, and I can just finesse it with the clutch. So I need to find like a flat spot because my alley is slightly angled upwards, and then I can practice on flat ground, and I can probably get a full circle. I know I can do a half circle easy, so what's another half a circle if I can do half already? So that's something I'm going to be working on. I am kind of clapped out today though. My body's hurting from work, so I don't know how much practice I'm going to be getting in. Mostly just relaxing and enjoying my Saturday. I need to find a good lot near me. I have a lot by my house, but sometimes cops just sit there and wait for calls and stuff, so I try not to go there unless it's like Sunday morning or something. This is what I mean by just cruising in 5th gear. I don't trust it. The Groms, these Groms specifically, are notorious for just being weird in 5th gear. I'm at least gonna try to like go throughout the RPM range the whole time that I'm riding in 5th gear. Fluctuate it. I don't know. Honestly, I don't even really care. Half the time I don't even cruise 5th gear unless I'm just trying to get somewhere. Alright boys, we made it to the shop. Let's see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about here. Ready? I gotta get it higher so I can sit on balance point. That was my first high side. That was crazy. Just got my slider a bit. Nice. Alright boys, we about to wash this girl. we're done. Hope you guys like the vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. I post every Saturday. And keep those wheels up. If you got any questions, just let me know down in the comments. Peace.